Hi guys, so I'm gonna try to build an engine for that boiler there. So I'm thinking of using this aluminium piece which I found. It's not very thick, but if I make the base about 4 inches by 8 inches, because I want the engine to be kind of longish, and see what I can do. And if I find another piece of aluminium to do that, I might have to change the size of it. Yeah. I marked the base plate 3 inches approximately, and I'm going to cut this part off as well. So I'll put this on and see if I can grind it off there like that. So guys, here it is, got it cut and polished. So that's my base plate. It's about that thick. Oh, I said that thick. I should have measured it really. So anyway, this is the. It's going to be standing up on there like that. So that's where my bearings and my other things will go. So this is what I'm cutting it there now. Just going to make it a little bit smaller than this one here. It's fine. So there you go guys, so this will be standing up like that. That'll be start of my engine. I know it's a bit long because I want my engine to be quite long really. So the what you call it will go there. I'll see how it goes. So here we are guys, this is done. It's got a few scratches on. It has to be whatever, have to be alright. This is done. So this will go somewhere around there like that. And this will go there. And between there will go the flywheel. So that's the idea. And then the piston will go here. Spin around like that. It's a bit hard to cut like this and stuff like that, so I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'll think about it. Okay guys, so I'm going to make the cylinder. Now, I'm thinking of a different type of cylinder where I'll drill a hole through there and it fits into a hole in there and something like that. So I can't explain it properly, but let me make it and show you what I mean. Okay guys, so finally I'm gonna put the piston together, and I want to make a different one, and the only thing I've got here is the aluminium, which is about 3/4 by 3/4. I wanted it inch by inch, but never mind. So I'm going to use this to go through there onto one side, as it were, to about there like that. Yeah. Yeah, just inside there and come out to about there. And then this is going to be the actual piston itself. So what I'm going to do, drill a hole through this one and mark how far I want it, cut it up, drill a hole through there, push that in, drill a hole through there, go right through that one, and then make the piston out of this. So it works. So I just want to make a different thing really. See how it goes. If it doesn't work guys, well, we'll just use this as a piston. So guys, we're making the cylinder first and put a hole through there. I'm going to face it off first. guys, I'm still at it because I want to make sure that right. So I'm going to make this about 2 inches in depth in theory, or even 1 3/4. I don't know yet. So guys, that's about 2 inch in depth, right? I'm going to do it with this one now, which is 7.8 millimeters, 7.9 more or less. Okay, so this is my piston here, which is 7.8. It just about fits in nicely. I think I'll get away with it. I'm gonna have a go now. Okay, I'm coming up to the last bit now. I'm not too bothered if it doesn't go all the way through, as long as a smaller hole went through. I'm really pleased with this one. I can feel the suction in there. I can feel the suction, so I'm really happy with that. So it's about that depth in there. It's not a problem. Even if I make my piston about 1/2 inch or so, it's still got enough room to go in and out there fine. I love it. Okay guys, so I was going to make this out of aluminium. Then I thought of my problem I had last time when I tried to put a pin there and hold the aluminium, etc, etc. Can't brace it, can't solder it, can't hold it together, etc. So I thought, no, try brass. Now I've only got 1 by 1 inch brass. So what I've done, I've cut it on the saw there. It's a little bit crooked there, as you can see. It's not 100% straight. But I think I'll get away with that anyway, because I'm not going to use these sides to do anything. It's going to be these sides here. So what I'll do is I'll put my piston through there like that, right down there, and that should be alright because it's not as heavy now, whereas 1 inch by 1 inch was very, very heavy. And it's just going to swivel anyway. So that's the plan, guys. I'm going to mark it out, drill a hole. Okay guys, I've drilled a hole out. It's a bit loose, to be honest with you. See that? It's a bit loose, but I'll glue it down or something like that. I don't know, something like that anyway. I need to go a bit further than it is. I'm not going far enough. It's only going to there. Not sure what to do. Let's see. So in the end, guys, I had to settle to make the hole there as well and leave it like that. And I left that like this, so that doesn't go all the way through. This goes right in. So I didn't have the correct drill bit. It's a bit loose, so I'm going to get it grazed there. And before I do that, I'm going to drill a hole through there to make sure it comes down through there.
So you don't want to be doing all this, you don't need it, you need literally that layer. Get that layer, as soon as that's ready, you go in with the torch and the fold it and come off. Melt the strip of it on it.
So guys, my brother was teaching me how to do this, and I forgot to put the camera on, so I was doing that, and it's quite, I learned a little bit there to do that welding there, silver soldering. So that's it there, hope it works. So this is what it looks like, and then I have to clean it up now. So this is it, guys, I've cleaned it up best I could.